Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have a classic cocktail for you. This one is the Manhattan. So this is a stirred cocktail, so you're going to need your stirring vessel. You are going to need a julep strainer. You can also use your hawthorn strainer if you're not comfortable using your julep strainer. You're going to need your stirring spoon and of course your jigger, so that way we are accurate with our measurements on this one. As always, the ingredient list is going to be listed down below, so that way you can build it with me. You're going to need some Angostura bitters, some sweet vermouth, as well as ideally rye whiskey. You can use bourbon if you would like, but classically the cocktail is made with rye whiskey. And of course, for our garnish, we're going to use an Amarena cherry. So to start out, we're going to do 4 dashes of Angostura bitters. And then we are going to do 1 full ounce of sweet vermouth. And then 2 ounces of your favorite rye whiskey. Woo! When you can spill half of it on the floor if you'd like. And then, because this is a stirred cocktail, we're going to dilute. So we are going to put a good amount of ice in here, and we're going to stir this guy for about 25 to 30 seconds. If I could get my ice to cooperate. So, fun fact about this cocktail is that most cocktails don't have an actual origin story, but obviously with this one being called the Manhattan, it most likely originated in Manhattan around the mid-1870s. During the Prohibition, actually, I was reading that apparently they used to use Canadian whiskey if the rye whiskey was not available. So, fun facts. But that looks absolutely fantastic. Because again, we're wanting to dilute that ice approximately halfway. This is not my favorite stirring spoon, as you can tell. All right. So then I'm going to use my julep strainer. Again, if you don't feel comfortable using the julep strainer, you can still use the hawthorn strainer. That's totally fine. And then I'm going to be putting it in a coupe. You can also put it in a rocks glass if you would so choose to. Again, classically though, the Manhattan does come in a chilled coupe glass. And then to top it off is going to be that beautiful Amarena cherry. There you have it, your classic Manhattan. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy the cocktails, like, comment, subscribe. I want to hear from you guys. I want to know if you guys want to see other kinds of cocktails or if you like what I'm doing right now. So until the next pour, cheers.